So I decided to make this video on the weekend. I could have made this video on Friday, but I decided to make it on the weekend because I don't want anyone to make any rash decisions. But I am no longer a shareholder of Phunware because I think that it's an extremely dangerous company to invest into. I think, it's a wait and watch approach right now, my opinion only. And why did I say this? Because they came out with their financial earnings and I was not happy with what I saw. I mean, the earning call was not bad. They said that, they have some big announcements that they're going to be announcing shortly. And today there was a pretty big announcement. They announced the day after the earnings. I will get into that in a second. But they also said in the earnings that they're going to be acquiring a company that's going to be cash flow positive of $1 million plus. But this company right now needs to be profitable. They need to either break even or become profitable because their financial results don't look very promising. The company actually looks kind of dangerous. But again, as long as institutional investors are willing to give them the money to, survive, because right now it doesn't look good. I mean, in the conference call, they still mentioned that they still plan to be a Fortune 500 company. They have big plans. It sounds like in the conference call that they are not going anywhere and they're going to be a Fortune 500 company in the future. I don't believe it. I feel like the management overpromised and basically lied to investors, or at least to me anyways. I did a lot of I watched every single video on this company. I did a lot of research, and everything they said feels like a lie to me. So we'll see what happens. I'll definitely, follow this company, but I won't be a shareholder, not until I see, if the stock price goes down low enough, I might make a gambling play on this. But, I lost a lot of money on Phunware, and personally, I don't trust the company. I don't trust the management. The earnings was terrible. They lost a net loss of $8.3 million. So let's just quickly get into. So right now they have a cash of $2.7 million. I thought they had more cash than this. I thought they had about $25 million, or at least $20 million of cash. But they used their cash to pay off back some debt. I will get into that down later. So their revenue was pathetic. It came in at $1.4 million. Their gross profit was also pathetic. Their cost of revenue was $1.1 million. Their gross profit was $300,000. And then if we look at the expenses, which is quite a bit, I mean, it's about $4.5 million of expenses when they only made they made gross profit of $312,000, so they lost $4 million that quarter in operational losses. That is terrible. They cannot continue to lose that kind of money, because right now on their balance sheet they only have $2.7 million of cash. Sure, they could probably take out some debt, to pay their employees, to continue with their operations. But this company really needs to, or maybe raise some equity to continue to pay their employees. But this company really needs money, bad. But they did pay off some debt. Their liabilities went down from $33 million to $23 million. According to this press release, they used their cash to pay back $25 million of convertible debt. They raised $30 million from hedge funds, I guess, or institutional investors. I feel like they just scammed a bunch of institutional investors. But we'll see. I mean, I this is the reason why I was, holding on to their stock, because I thought they had, cash to continue with their strategy. But no, right now I'm just not impressed. I feel like I got scammed into this company. I feel I will get into it more into it, but I really feel like I got scammed. I felt like management just overpromised and completely underdelivered. So they did announce they launched smart city solution in the city of Pasadena. This could be a huge revenue generator, because this is a pretty big project. At least that's what I think. They are doing a smart city with a population of 200,000 people. This could be a huge project, and this could bring in significant amount of revenue and profits. But we'll see what happens next earnings report. They need to flip a profit. They need to either flip a profit, or they need to at least break even, because this company's financials don't look good right now. But we'll see. And then for the Fun Wallet, I feel like, it does say that they have 5,000 downloads. I always took the assumption that, there's a lot of people who trade cryptos on this world, and, the management said that the Fun tokens will increase in value. But how will it increase in value when people don't trade it? Like, how is it going to increase in value? There needs to be on a proper exchange. People need to trade them in order for the value to increase. Because when I was listening to management, they were like, oh, your Fun token could be worth something. You could be able to use it on stuff. I can't use it on anything. Where's the Fun coin? Like, they say, oh, Fun coin will be released. There's no Fun coin at all. Like, maybe eventually it'll get released. I don't know. The Fun Wallet was delayed. From what they were talking about. Oh, we spend years developing this Fun Wallet, and to me it looks like a project that took them a couple months at best. I mean, it doesn't look very complex. Their Fun Wallet, it seems very, very basic. So yeah, and where's their Fun coin, huh? They only have Fun token here, but where is their Fun coin? I don't see their Fun coin. I went on their website. I bought about 500,000 Fun tokens. I feel like I got scammed. I can't sell these Fun tokens. Are they going to increase in value? I have no idea. Maybe one day, maybe I can't really do anything. I can't sell them. I can't get rid of them. I can't trade them back for my crypto. I can't do anything with them. I just have to wait and gamble and hope that this company doesn't go bankrupt, and one day, maybe my Fun tokens will be worth something. I felt like I got scammed on this. Like, I seriously do. I feel like this company is a bunch of lies. They basically, management is lying. I hate to say that, but that's what I feel. Personally, I feel like I got lied to big time. That's why, this should be like a lesson to me. Never trust anyone that talks on, like, any management that talks. Just follow them, like, follow them, look at the financials, look at the earnings, and be careful about investing. So, I mean, I lost a lot of money on Fun tokens. I lost a lot of money on Phunware. Maybe I will get something back in the future, but, and at the end of the day, I still feel like institutional investors are the ones that will move the stock price. I personally have nothing positive to say about Phunware. That's just me, though. But we'll see what happens. Maybe, I don't want anyone to panic. At the end of the day, I sold out. I took a loss. I'm not buying back in until I'm not. I don't know. I don't even. I really just honestly don't even trust this company. I'm just gonna take my L. I'll take my loss on this company, and I'll watch it. I hope that my fund tokens are worth something in the future, but at the moment, I really don't trust this company. I feel like this company is the management is a bunch of liars. That's just my feeling personally. What they promised the fund wallet, got delayed big time in a big way. Funcoin hasn't even been out yet. Their fun token was like they were saying, oh, well, you can. The only thing you can do for fun tokens is answer some stupid surveys, and then you get rewarded for some fun tokens. They were promising, oh, if you go somewhere, if you buy something, you get fun tokens, and they were saying something about cruise coin, and you can use your fun token to buy stuff or get stuff. I don't see any of that. I don't see any ecosystem. The only ecosystem I see is you answer some surveys, you get some fun tokens. That's the only ecosystem I see right now. Fortune 500 company. Oh, I mean, sure. Let's see that happen. I mean, maybe. Who knows? Whatever. We'll see what happens. But so far, the company feels like a big giant lie. But only time will tell if if they are. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it just takes time. Business is hard, and things just take time to develop and all that stuff. Like, I understand business is hard. I failed on a lot of things. I failed on my YouTube channel. I failed on my I was gonna open up a dispensary. I failed on that. And I just look at the stock market overall. There's just so many companies that fail. Like Canopy failed, Aurora failed, all the MJ companies in Canada failed. You know, there's a lot of failure companies out there, and that's business is just that hard. But and I totally understand that. But from just my research and from what the management says, I feel like management they're just liars. I don't want to sound harsh or anything, but that's just my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this. I definitely did. Don't trust management. Trust financials. Look at the business. And I thought because the Fun Wallet was free, I thought a lot of people would download it and use it, and they'll get a lot of user base, they'll get a lot of data, and they'll make a lot of money off of it. But even if free, people don't download. I feel like this 5,000 downloads right here is a bunch of bots, because if we look at the reviews, there's only 31 reviews, but there's 5,000 downloads. So I feel like it's just a bunch of bots, downloading it and then using it to gather fun token and hope that it's worth something in the future. That's just my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.